In our quiz, participants can win points in various categories. Each category has multiple questions with different point values. The quiz is structured similar to Jeopardy! Participants first select the points they want to win and then receive the corresponding question. When creating a quiz, I assign a name and can decide whether to duplicate the demo data. This creates a complete quiz with multiple categories and a total of 25 questions that can serve as the foundation for your own knowledge game or for quickly learning how the quiz works. However, we now create a new quiz, so we are presented with menu options for categories, questions and settings. First, I define my categories. I click on Edit Categories and enter the names of the categories. Let's take General, History, Geography, and People to sort our questions accordingly. I can rearrange the order of my categories as I like using drag and drop. Next, I click on Add Question and select the category to which my question belongs. Let's choose Geography. I enter my question: which of these 4 mountains is the highest mountain? Then I specify how many points one can earn for this question. Let's start with 100 points. It is advisable to assign different point values for each question. Next, I need to provide the possible answers that participants can choose from. For these questions, I'll list Zugspitze, Mont Blanc and Matterhorn. Of course, I also need to specify which one is the correct answer, which in this case is Mont Blanc. I click on Add Question again. For my next question, I'll choose Geography as the category once more. Which mountain range divides Europe and Asia? I assign 200 points to this question. As answer options, we provide Ural, Alps, Zagros, and Carpathians. The correct answer is Ural. We repeat this process until we have created all the desired questions. If I expand a category, I can edit or delete the assigned questions. I can also change the order using drag and drop. The same applies to the categories. Here you can change the names or adjust the order. In the Settings section, I can change the name of my quiz. I can also make the participant's name and email address mandatory fields. Participants will be asked for both at the end to determine the winner and notify them in the results after my quiz is completed. I can further customize the elements of the participant's view, including the header, logo and more. And now have fun trying it out.